Respect the referee, boys. And you have the ball. Sim, pass to Marciano. Okay, passes to Andy, done up by Kevin, passes to Knight. Takes a 3. Good. Injure pa yan ha? Injure pa yan ha? Diyan ka lang Knight sa gitna. Ito na bumaba. Sing on the ball. Sino ba ang point guard ng Blues? Sing ba? Wow. Laki ng point guard ha? Pass the ball to Andy again. Second time na yan, Brad. Alex on the ball. Hesitated. Alex again. 9 ball, blue ball. Side. Yeah. Who's foul? Brad, taas ang kamay ha, makisuyo, taas ang kamay. Brad, reminder, inform niyo yung table kung sinong nakafoul. Good job. That's Gary Caridad, Mr. International himself. Nice again. Hot ball. Six. Good. Follow for 2. By the way, referees calling the shots for this game is Mr. Gustavo, Mr. Hernandez, and Mr. Gary at the ball for 2. Good idea, Mr. International.
Kita ba?
Medyo pinaganahan niya naman. Medyo makakantok. Ayos mo. Alex again. Up. Last touch, Andy. Greg on the ball. Takes a shot. It's off. Greg again. Good. Six. Passes the follow. Is there a call? There's a call? What's the call?
Iya, pagpupul masasawa.
Wow.
Kakashoot ako.
Walang resibo, walang ebidensya.
Yung assist ko maganda yan eh.
Ha?
Nawala, hindi na ako yung all alone, ikot. Pero yung cute ako, yung dalawa.
Greg underneath. Alex for 2. May nagtatanong Brad, akin na ba daw talaga lang?
Hindi 100%. Ba, tingnan mo. Wow!
Second.
Depende sa tao.
Dito kasi lampas mo na rin.
Text you. Mr. Gascon himself takes the shot.
It's a good lad.
Rene on the ball. Mr. Ben Gomez. Ano ba yun? Raul for 2.
Saka mag-zoom siya.
What's the call? Foul? Number 3.
Sino? Injured ka?
Yung Team White, warning for penalty, ha? Brad? Arnold, warning for penalty, Team White, ha? The score is 9-7 in favor of blue.
Bakit may warning pa penalty?
Mr. Lopez on the ball passes to Gascon on the ball. Takes the shot. Nice shot, wow.
Chamba!
Galing.
Chamba! Narinig eh, no?
Roll on the ball, think about taking the shot. Hop! Line ball.
Galing, galing na depensa. Hindi halata.
Getting on the ball, passes to Gary. Gary takes inside. Oh! Foul on the rebound. There's a foul. There's a foul. There's a foul. Holy Brad, Holy Brad. Rene Cortez. Fourth lang, fourth. Next one. Relax lang, Brad. Relax lang. Under control yan. Roll on the rebound. Baba kayo, baba. Follow on the recovery. And he's got the ball. Too hard to handle. Passes to Palo. Good. Passes to Gary.
Nice.
See. Lopez. What's the call?
Dapat may technical man din nakakashoot eh.
Kaligdahan pa. Yes. Is guilty.
Galing pa siya eh. Dapat pala nagpagkakalibihan.
Mr. Nierma on the ball. Passes to Raul. Heavily guarded. Palo. Rebound. What's the call, Brad? What's the call? Okay. Sino? 64. We got a penalty situation. Okay, penalty na kayo, ha, Brad? Malakas. Kaya malakas. Uy! Oh. May relasyon ng birthday ko yan. Mukhang gustong kantahan, ha? Sige. Rolling for 3. Yan ang kanyang office, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Rolly Portalaza, Mr. 3-pointer himself. Isa pa to.
Wala kay Arne yan.
Sing and follow the strong one. All right, that was the first quarter of the game. The score is 11-10. Very tight.
Sa likod pare.
Arnold Cayabyab. Passes to Bregan Acta. Looking for foul. He gets it. Who's the foul, Brad? Who's the foul?
Nasa likod.
Sing.
Nasa likod.
Ang tawag doon, Brad, ay cylinder.
Yung pala
Wala pa yung gagawa eh. Binili ko na lang sa mga...
Bago sapatos niya. Hindi niya.
Peko, alam mo yung...
Kita niyo, ha? Bibili kayo ng sapatos para makakasutin kayo ng gano'n.
May gagawin daw siya nasira.
Second shot by Mr. New Shoes. Let's see.
Baka yun nakausap mo eh.
Hindi puti.
Okay, follow on the rebound. Sipag ng Mr. Singh na yun.
Takbo, Rolly!
Si Lopez passes to Ananta underneath.
You know!
Hindi nakita.
Sayang.
Power play. Hanip.
Oh, galing nun!
Uses his left hand.
Oh,
Gary the ball. Sets up the play. Nice.
Ayan.
yun! Ay, sayang.
Kaya na.
Wow!
Naka-jumble niya.
Matagal na naglalaro yun, number 11 na yun. Well, takes hard. Pushes for foul. Sino foul rep? Sing na naman. Pangilan na si Sing yan? Dalawa na ha, Mr. Sing. Pakakantahin kita mamaya. Mr. New Shoes again. Ang the foul line. Mukhang gusto mong parating tumitira niya. Uy! Ano nangyari doon? Sabay. Second shot. No good.
Nasa linya.
Yung referee mapapasahan.
Yep. Good. He's got the lucky bounce there.
Pagkakulay.
The score is 13-15 in favor of Blue. Up. Out of bounds. White ball. White ball naman, sorry. Hayab for 3. Rebound with Becco.
Nabibigo na din.
Hindi na papasahan.
In and out. Gary takes hard. Good. Galing talaga ng Gary. The score is 15-0. Rolly, on the ball. He loses the handle. 1 minute left. 1 minute left.
5 lang tayo. Saan si Raul? Si
Lumalabas.
Larry. Saan si Larry? Saan si Jace? Ay, andyan ba si
Sige
Larry?
daw, Pico.
Larry, apa?
Pero darating.
Tinawag ka, Pico.
Guess.
Huli.
Lumalabas na naman.
Wala na yan.
Nila din siya. Check it out yan. Ruben Lopez. Good.
Kapampangan.
Mr. Becco. Ayan, natignan mo.
Nice!
Palo. Veterano mo.
Parang sinasadya.
17-15. Last 30 seconds. Takes the last shot. Mr. Kayabyab. 10 seconds. Good. Tumingin pa sa camera.
Rolly. Ayan.
Rolling the last shot. Short. Gusto. Sige, Kayabyab. Inasa pa kayo. Good job. Now we're on the second half of second quarter. Blue ball.
Pero!
No good. Arnell on the ball. seconds to Arnold again. Foul. Twisted shot. There's a foul, there's a foul. Who's foul, Rep? Number 7 blue, Gascon. The ever popular Ben Gascon. Everybody's favorite.
Favorite na, no?
Mareklamo. Masyado mareklamo.
Reklamo ka
Second shot. Follow on the rebound. Stays on the ball. Looking for Peko. Finds Gascon. Takes the shot. Nearby on the rebound. Sets up. Passes to Rene. Cortez. No good. There's a call. Palo guilty of breaching and foul. Blue, warning for penalty, ha? 14 fouls na kayo. 14 fouls. Ayos na. Nag-report ka na? Yung pasalubong mo sa akin, ano mo? Yes! Parang gusto ko sa'yo, Brad, eh. Birthday mo ba? Hindi yung birthday niya. Wow! Follow pass the ball. Lakas. Nice, ha? Nice on the ball. Takes a 3. Short. Kayabyak for 2. What happened? White ball, Brad. Hot ball. White ball. There's a violation. There's a foul. Sinong foul, Brad? Sing. 3 fouls ka na, Brad, ha? Isang foul ka pa, papalitan ka na ng Mang Isko. Andiyan na si Mang Isko. Then, next quarter, pwede siya pumasok. Nice. Smooth. Ganda ng takbo. Takbo mayaman. Uy! Ano nangyari doon? Grabe Randy. Ito rin doon niya, Brad. Scores 2017 in favor of White. Nine to the ball. Passes to Raul. Inside jump. Too short. Nice again. There's a foul. Follow. Richard. Two shots. Tayo naman. Magagandang sapatos talaga. Panoorin nyo. Tingnan nyo magagandang sapatos. Tapos nakarasyon pa.
Sapatos lang, maganda.
Hindi na. Sige yan, tama yan. Second shot. Yan, ganyan. Bibili kayo bagong sapatos. Nakakasyon kayo pag bagong sapatos nyo. Sing on the ball.
Yung bago ang wala, no? Si Joby ba yan? Joby?
Passes to Gascon. Back to Pico. Pico takes a shot. Oh, no.
Wala pa siya.
Follow on the ball. Wow. There's a goal. Hold ball, Brad. Hold ball. Anong tawag? $15 seconds. Ano yan? 2 shots? Okay. Pwede na lang i-clear, Brad. 7 seconds na lang. Okay. Clear out, please. Thank you. Take your water. Hold your wives. Bahala kayo. This is the first half. Diba? First half na, Brad? Okay, alright. Let's take 2 minutes after shots. Lakas! Rolly on the rebound. Sa gitna, Brad. Sa gitna. Ayan. Para magandang tingnan sa camera. Titingin mo na kayo sa camera. Passes tonight. Passes to Alex. Takes the 3. Follow on the rebound. Andy on the ball. Mr. Pico. Passes to Gary. Isco. Takes it hard. Andy on 2. No. Huli.
Dito.
Uy! Ano ba ako doon?
Sino lamang? Puti.
Isco takes a shot. Push drop. Follow last touch.
Hindi nagkape. May hangover pa. Okay, walang traveling.
Pasok mo! Libre si Palo!
Parang walang traveling.
Libre si Palo. Blue ball, blue ball.
Parang ang lang sa level.
Yan, refer mo na.
Lakas ah!
Andy! Woo! Strong. Bata pa yan si Andy, ha? Huwag niyong kalilimutan.
Bata.
Current score 22-19 in favor of White. There's a foul, there's a foul. Foul Knights. Oh, Agra.
Sino? Nice.
Nice pass, Andy. Woo! Follow for 2 for the finish. It's getting closer, 22-21. Rolly on the ball. Alex, back to Knights. Ruben takes the shot. Follow on the ball. Oy! What's that? There's a foul.
Kanino si Roldan mapupunta?
Who's foul, rep?
Sino ba mapalitan niya?
Alex. Alex Aguila.
Tinanggap niya?
Oh.
There's a foul. Okay.
Siyempre.
Side ball.
Malakas.
Follow on the inbound. Passes to Isco.
Isco Moreno.
Back to Palo. What? It's a push. Lopez, push. We got a continuation. And 1. Warning for penalty, ha, Brad? Penalty. Warning for penalty. Yung mga nakakaintindihan, penalty. Yes. That's on the ball. Ruben on the ball, takes the shot. Parang kanina lang yun. Gary. Twelve seconds. Passes to Greg. What happened? Blue ball. 3 seconds, bro. 3 seconds. And so that was the first half of the third period. Flip up. For 3, Gascon. Pakikuha ang pangalan nun. Everybody's favorite. Benjamin Gascon. Flip the top. Reggie na lang. Alam na ni Reggie. Kaya Biak. Passes the ball to Raul. Takes the shot, nice drop. Rene on the rebound. Good. Rene Cortez.
Ayan ba ang Rene Cortez?
27-24 in favor of blue. Huli. Rene on the recovery. Passes to Raul. Pasok pa rin. Kaling naman. Body control ang tawag doon. 27-26 in favor of blue. Ayusin nyo na. This is a very high scoring game. Maganda pa sila naglalaro. 27 pa lang points. Gary on the ball. Labas. Gascon again. Gary takes a shot. Wow! Parang ang daming pangyayari doon sa tirang yun, ha. Taas ang kamay. Lopez. Guilty again, Mr. Lopez. Ano nangyayari ngayon, Mr. Lopez, ha? Busy tayo dyan, ha. Gary for 2.
Saan ka na?
Nagod. Second shot. Tingnan lang yung mga bagong sapatos dyan, ha? Ayan, Mr. Abena, ano na eh. Pasok! Second shot is good. Mga bagong kumit. Bagong ahit. Cortez on the ball. Takes the shot. Oh my God. Galing, naghahanap pa ng foul. Sorry Brad, hindi nakita eh. Next time, gawin ulit, baka makita na. 28-0. Very tight, high scoring game. Foul, there's a foul. Who's foul? Cortez. Cortez yan. Penalty na kayo ang white, ha? Penalty na white. Pero 2 shots siya si Mr. Palo.
Cortez yung bartender. Galing na kagay niya.
Palo, first shot, it's good. Galingan si Palo, ano ba? Mr. Gascon, ano masasabi mo sa laro so far? No comment? Nice! 2 for 2! Halo. Tingin mo na sa camera, Brad. Tingin mo sa camera. May alabi pa. Sige na. Follow. Oh, no. That's gonna be up. Abena. Takes the shot. Galing talaga nun. Camera mo na. Yeah. Sige again. 3 balls ka na, Brad, ha? Kalimutan niya. Back to follow. Oy!
Yun pa, isa pa yun.
Okay lang, basta anim ba eh.
Mr. Nirma.
Pilari ka ba? Ako tawag ka?
Penalty yan. There's a penalty, Brad. Penalty. 2 shots. Kagagaling mo lang dyan, Mr. Palo.
Bakit may mga sinasali ako?
Short. A little short.
Ang gagaling naman.
Palo, second shot. Short again.
Oh, talaga niya.
Benny. Palos to Palo. Oh. Lakas nun. Cortez on the ball. Ruben, the Euro step Hold on. Rep, sino po, rep? Mr. Cortez is guilty of pushing. Bawal ang pusher dito, Brad. Bawal ang pusher dito.
Si Larry.
So that was...
Nakatinahan ni Isis. Hindi daw siya mga ano, may pupuntahan daw siya.
Basket was good. Second shot, good. Third international, 2 for 2. So that was the end. That was the end of the third period. Nakikita the ball, injured yan. Huwag niyo kalilimutan. Alex on the ball. Nagkakantulo ka na sa loob. Up there now for 2. Still automatic ka. Lakas. Nagre-reduce yan, nagre-reduce. Take on the ball. Passes to Mr. Risco.
Nabantayan.
Wow! Good. The score is 36-32 in favor of blue. Knights on the ball. Checking the landscape. Raul Abrena. Kaya Biya for 3. Wow! That's a good hustle, Alex. Sayang, Brad, sayang. Next time, makukuha mo yan. Next time.
Lakas tumalon. Inampasan pa niya yan.
Sig. Passes to Pico. Wow, sayang. Kaya Biya on the ball. Passes to Knight. Uy! Anong tawag doon? Passes to Alex. Nice! Great! For 2. Brad, di mo lang camera, Brad. Bakit sa participant? Yes. Pwede na yan. Staying on the ball. Nice pass! Palo strong to the hoop. Passes to Mangisco. That's strong too. Last time, Pico. White ball. Baba kayo.
Banda!
Konting lambing. Lambingan mo na konti.
Present!
Kaya Biya, libre. Palo on the rebound. Reminder, Steve, may 2 kayong timeouts ha, saka pwede mag-sub. Okay, mahiya. Nice pass. Abena for 2. The score is tied at 36. Andy, balikan tumamag.
Kay palo.
Pesto!
Oh, Mr. Singh. There's a foul.
Offense!
Score is the guilty party here. Brad, pakitasan ka ba? Takpa, wag na. Ayaw ko na makita yung pwede mo.
Ano yan? Ayaw makita.
Ha? Makita yung kilikili.
Lilinawin mo!
Ano yung ayaw mo makita?
Kilikili! Okay. Alright, last shot, Mr. Abena. That's good. Palo, takes it hard, passes to Pico, he didn't get it. White ball. Again, may timeouts, Brad, ha? Huwag niyong kalilimutan, may timeouts tayo. Next, okay. Wala. Come out, come out, come out, come out, come out. Good. Come out blue. Come out blue. Score is 39-36 in favor of white. That's got. So blue have to my mouth, huh? It's a very tight, contested game. Kanina, 27 ang score, 36 ngayon. Really high scoring, ha? Ano naman, ha? Alright. Nasa the ball. Rolling for 3. Automatic. 42-36. Gary on the ball. Takes a shot. There's a foul. And 1. Foul Mr. Nakna, Mr. Nucius himself. So we got a continuation. 1 bonus shot. Jumpers ready. Boy, kuha pa. Nakna, strong. The ball, Mr. Nakna. Lord. Rolling, thinking about 3. Passes to 9. Nice on the ball. Takes the 3. Oh my God. What cannot you not do, Brad? Everything. That 3 points.
Bisakit pa yan, ha? Partida.
Andy on the ball. Passes to second. Uy! Ano tawag doon? Brother. Hindi ka pwede kumuha ng brother. Kailangan may ticket na. Uwi ka ng Pilipinas, bili ka ng ticket.
Nagko-comment.
Stop! Hold that please. Thank you. Gascon, Gwen.
Nagko-comment.
Okay lang yan, okay lang yung stop na yan.
Kaya nahuli.
Receive, next time. Oh, last 4 minutes.
Score is 45-38 in favor of white. Mr. Fortaleza, follow on the rebound.
Lakas. Sabi na eh.
No foul, Brad. No foul. No harm, no foul. Yun ang bagong rule natin. Rule number 79.
Ha?
No harm, no foul.
No blood, no foul?
No harm. Kaya, Piang! Malas itong natin ang bibigyan. Nice pass to Mr. Paulo. Dunk mo! Hiya pa. The score is 40-45. 3 minutes and 14 seconds left. May timeout pa kayo, ha, Brads? Meron pa, okay makakaya. Walang bayad doon. Yan. Follow again. Nakapagurang Mr. Paulo. JC! Pasok pa yun, Brad!
Ano ba yan? I-deport na yan.
2 minutes and 50 seconds. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Rolling for 3. Uy! Butiki! Tawag ng butiki. Come out, White!
Katalikod eh!
45-40. Tama ba, Brad? Alright. And sige yung mga sub. Habang tayo mas, no problem. Basta 5 lang. Huwag nyo kalimutan yung mat. Right? White. So, may technician na silang tamot. Pwede kayo umiiwan ng tubig. Pwede kayo tumawag.
Judy! Galaw ka ng galaw! Ikaw sinusundan, no? Judy!
Lapa. Kumakain naman. Wala na tayo pa naman. Pwede ba yung magdadala ng pagkakas?
Hindi. Yun nga.
Sino yung referee?
Right ball.
Oh, ayan. Oh. Dito bola eh. Nakatutok doon eh. Yung si Gary.
Ayan, may palaman. Galing kay Mr. Maro ito. Ha?
Oh, ayan oh. Ikot.
Then on the ball.
Ang bilis ng ikot nito pagka ano eh.
Mr. Court General himself.
Oh, ayan.
Surveying the landscape. He takes a shot himself. Kaya biyan. Naagawan ni Palo. Naagawan ni Ronnie. Pira, last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Comitan. The world's fastest growing energy drink. Abena. Pagdira ka, bago sa pants mo. Shoot ka ng shoot. Sing on the ball. Guarded by Knights. Takes the shot. Shoot mo naman, Brad. Ano nangyari dito?
Nagwala na.
Abena for welcome to the ball.
Nagwala na si Sing.
Woo! Bad pass. Bad pass, Brad. Bad pass.
3 points.
Blue ball, blue ball. And he's managing to cut. Okay. Gascon takes a shot.
Lakas.
Palo. For 2. Kaya pa yan!
Harap!
47-42.
Foul.
1 minute, 17 seconds. 1 minute, 17 seconds. Uy! Ano tawag? Kaya biyak. Nasa kamay, Brad. Wala pa. Mainit ang ulo ni Coach Shanto. Wala pa, Coach. Wala.
Oh, ayan oh.
1 minute, 5 seconds, right? Wow! Kulang pa rin! Talaga ito si Gaston. Kaling naman.
Harap!
Isang pagkita bola. Kaya biyabot the ball. Bouncing. All time. 49 seconds. Foul. Sing. 11 foul, Mr. Sing. Pito! Sabi niya, Pito? Pito pala, Pito. There's a foul. Hello, number 51. Wala pa. Sabi na, wala pa. Wala pa. 3 points lang yan, ha, Brad? Tight defense, look at this. Exhibition of tight defense. Uy! Dalo! Take on the ball. Takes the shot. Wow!
Pumasa ka naman!
Wow! Hold on. Gascon. Pag hindi sinasabing penalty, huwag na kayo magtanong.
Get your man.
Hindi ba kayo na-timeout? Wala ba na-timeout dyan?
Blue! Blue daw, blue! Blue daw, blue!
17 seconds.
Traveling. 3 points. Tawid.
Here we go. Gary. Hold on. Warning white. So isa pa. Ruben. Go. Warning, ha? A warning for graduation, right?
Stress!
15 seconds.
Stress!
3-point difference. Follow will inbound the ball. Andy on the ball. Passes to That's good. Gary. 7 seconds. That's good. That's short. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Formality na lang. Mamaya na kayo lumabas. Tapusin natin na lang. Alam po, excited kayo manood ng third game. That's the ball, and that's it. Good game! The score is a very high